I've been wandering early late from New York City to the Golden Gate, and it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering. My daddy was an engineer, my brother drives a hack, my sister takes his laundry while the baby boys the jack, and it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering. I've been in the army, I work on the farm, and all I got to show is the muscle in my arm, and it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering. My mom, she died when I was young. My daddy took to stealing and he got hanged, and it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering. Snakes in the ocean, eels in the sea, I let a red-headed woman make a fool out of me, and it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering. I've been wandering early late from New York City to the Golden Gate, and it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering. It don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering. Wandering was a memorable song to me way back during my high school day, from 1976 to 1980. We used to live in our Auntie Ellen's house together with my brothers Kong Bernie and Con Ronnie. In their home, they have this sound system. During that time, we call it quadrasonic. They have this 45 album song, Wandering, which is sung by James Taylor. Almost every time they are playing this song. That is why when I'm hearing this song, even now, my mind rekindle my secondary years. It's a nice feeling. And now I dedicate this song to them, to my Auntie Ellen, my Uncle Bill, and to their daughter, one and only daughter, Maria Cleopas of Angeles City, Philippines.